Ethan and Emily was a very happy couple. Seldom had they fought for 20 years since they got married. Although they had no children, they had a wonderful life, encouraging each other in trouble. Ethan was a fisherman and Emily was a farmer. Though they could not be said to be rich, they were supporting and helped each other when the work of either was in season. And then one day, a concern arose to Emily. She needed a better irrigation system because of a long spell of drought. They had no money for that, and they tossed and turned in bed for many days. Being willing to bend over backwards, Ethan was determined to go far out to the sea, taking risks to catch as many salmon as he could. He thought he was lucky because it was a time of the year he could have a big catch of salmon at far sea. Ethan went out stealthily to take the chance despite the storm alert. He was so excited about returning with a full load of salmon he sailed eagerly far out to sea. In spite of rough waves and storm, he pulled a net with a host of salmon through the water as hard as he could. Then all of a sudden a ray of yellow light was cast on his boat. It was to capture him since the king of Salmon Kingdom was so angry at him. A little boy of the king was one of the salmon Ethan caught. Ethan begged him, kneeling down, to ask him to allow him to see Emily at least once in a while. The king took a little pity on him and allowed him to see Emily, not as a human but as a rainfall. And Ethan would wet the land of Emily in opportune times to allow her to have abundant harvest. The rainbows we see sometimes in the sky are actually Ethan's happy smile after he sees Emily.